Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss the topic writing letters. So, we know very well that every one of us is required to write letters to our relatives, friends, or other. It is therefore important that we cultivate the art of letter writing. We may need to write letter to our friends sometime in the office. So, sometimes the requirements are there and we have to write the letters. So we must know how to write a letter. So there are some kinds of letter. Let us see them. The following are the main kinds of letter. Number 1 is personal letter. Second is letter of applications. Third is business letters, and the fourth one is official letter. Then let us see what are the parts of a letter. How many parts are there? Now see, it is written on third number. Every letter has the following 6 parts. First one is the heading. The second is the salutation, the greeting or the beginning we can say. The third one is the body of the letter. The fourth is subscription or the ending, signature or the writer's name. Or the sixth one is given the superscription or address on the envelope of the postcard. Okay, so these are the parts of the letter we have discussed in personal letters. Now let us see a layout of the letter. Let us see the personal letter, how to write the personal letter. See, the first of all is the heading. In heading, the person who is writing the letter will write his address, then salutation, after that body, then subscription, and then the signature. Now listen very carefully. The same layout we have to use for the official letters. Official letter, see, in official letter also, in the heading, first the writer will write his or her address, who is writing the address, and then the address of the office where he or she is writing the letter. So this is including in the heading. Means when we will write the address, the layout of the official letters, we will write 2 addresses on the top of the left hand side. The first is address of the writer who is writing the letter, and the second address will be the of the office where we are going to write the letter. If we are writing the letter to the post office, then office address. If we are writing letter to the MC municipal committee, then its address. So in this way, the 2 addresses will be there under the heading. Then salutation, sir or ma'am. Then body means about what we are writing the letter. And then subscription means signature of the writer. Okay. So in this way, today we are going to discuss the layout or the how to write the official letters. Which letters we are going to discuss? It is official letter. So see what is written here. In official letters also remember the following points while writing the official letters. Write the heading as in personal letters. Write the address of the official below the heading. Means first your address, then date, then the address of the official where we are going to write the letter. Then subject for what we are writing the letter. Then sir or ma'am for salutation. Then body, and downside subscription. So these are the parts of the official letter. Now let us see 1 or 2 examples, and after that we will solve the exercise. Okay. So the things are clear to you that in official letter also we have to follow the same format as we have done in personal letters. In the heading we have to write two addresses. First, the self address means the address of the writer, then date, and the address second is the address of the office. Let us see the example, then the things will be clear to you. Come on the next page. See here on the top. Study the following specimen of the official letter. Now see. Write a letter to the executive engineer, public health of your locality, complaining against the poor supply of water. Means the supply of water is not proper, it is poor in your area, in your street. So you have to write a complaining letter. Complaint letter you have to write. So let us see what is written here. First of all, it is the address of the writer, 20 Model Town, Kirti Nagar. Then it's the date. We have to write the date as per the requirement. Means on which date we are writing the letter, we have to write the same date. Okay. Then we have to write the address of the office where we are writing the letter. So we are writing the letter to the executive engineer, public health. Okay. So same we have written here. The executive engineer, public health, Model Town, Kirti Nagar. Okay. Then after that we have to write subject. It is not written here, but we will mention the subject also. Subject means for what we are writing the letter. So we are writing the letter for complaining against the poor supply of water. What is our subject? Complaining against the poor supply of water. Right? Now then we shall start, sir. Then we have to written the salutation, sir. Then after that we have to write the body of the letter. The residents of this locality are feeling great inconvenience on account of poor supply of water. It is regretted that we do not receive water for the full time fixed for us. It is regretted means we feel very sorry that we do not receive water for the full time fixed for us. As the time is fixed for water, it may be 1 hour, it may be 2 hours, it may be 3 hours. But the people of the locality are not getting the water supply for the full time fixed for them. Then other problem the writer is writing, moreover the pressure is very low. Means very less water is coming in those hours. As a result, our kitchen gardens have dried up. So now the writer has written the results. Due to the less supply of water, what are the results? The kitchen gardens have dried up. The tanks for storing waters in bathrooms and latrines are generally empty. Sometimes even our kitchens run short of water. Means these are the results of the shortage of water. Now we have to sum up. We shall be thankful to you if you kindly look into the matter and remove our grievances at your earliest convenience. Okay. Just we have to draw attention to our problem, not to write much, because we are writing to the higher authorities. So we have to put our problem. Then downside we have to write yours faithfully, because we are writing to the officers. And downside the name of the writer, it is subscription. So on the top what we have written, it is the heading, then salutation, then body of the letter, and the last one is subscription. I think it's clear to you. Now see one more. Read it. Write a letter to the station house officer of your town reporting a theft in your house. Now we have to write the letter to SHO and SHO in the police station. So again the same thing we have to do. First of all, the writer will write the address, then date, then the address of the office where we are writing the letter. So now see here, 5 New Colony, Modi Nagar, May 18, 2020. Means any date we can write as per the need, any address we can write as per the need if the address is not given. But if it is given, we have to write the same. SHO office will be same because it is given. The SHO police station, Modi Nagar. Okay. Then we have to write the subject. For what we are writing? Reporting a theft in the house. Reporting a theft in the house. This is our subject. Then we shall start. We will write the salutation, sir. And after salutation, we have to write the details. Means what we want to write in our letter. So see what the writer has written. I am bringing to your notice a theft that has taken place in our house. The facts are given below for your kind information. So see what are the facts given here. When I opened my suitcase at 10:30 a.m. today, I found 10 50 rupee notes missing. I think our servant Ram Rakha has stolen the money with the help of a duplicate key. I suspect him because he has not returned so far, that is up to 2 p.m. from the market. He was sent there to bring some vegetables. So I shall feel obliged if you kindly look into the case and trace out the theft. I shall feel obliged if you kindly look into the case and trace out the theft. So we should be very polite when we are writing, and in the end we have to write yours faithfully. Any name we can write because the name is not given. So here it is written Naseeb Singh. Okay. Downside exercise is there. So you try any one of the letter given in the exercise, and tomorrow we shall discuss them again. Okay. So it's bye for today. Bye students.